girl.
He's coming for you, bro.
He's coming for his ass. I know. So is he roaming the place, or like do I have to trigger him?
He's just walking around finding you. You can teleport.
That sucks.
Like in the massacre?
I don't think the massacre she can't teleport.
You just went into the place where he spawns.
That sucks. Where are the damn keys? Did you fart again?
No, I heard.
Oh. He's gonna pop. He's gonna pop. From this corner right here. Oh. Where is he? I want to see him now. Okay, did I come from him? I can't go down? Oh, I can't go up.
You can.
Look, I tried. Oh, I can. Why weren't you going up the first time? God, these eyes.
Okay.
Here, we're playing Not Watch after this. I don't want to play. I can play Not Watch.
God. I hate mazes. Have I ever told you how much I don't like mazes?
This is the biggest maze you'll ever see in gaming.
Cause my feeling is
so
right.
I don't play Roblox 4 game later.
Robot Home?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. After Fortnite, right?
Yeah, yeah. Have you done that never?
What?
Play Roblox 4 game with us?
Maybe.
What do you mean baby? I said yes. I'm playing that. It's scary.
And I know that it's true. I can't
I know a game. I know a game that's called Murder Mine, and it's like that. Same graphics and everything.
Is that the game we played with the giant head guy? The giant heads?
Oh no. That's the limit.
Where is the big bitch at? Hey BB, where you at? Look at this. Got a child.
Oh, I've seen that. That was a Puppet Combo inspired game.
Wait.
Sure.
Look! How? Shit. Where am I?
The music.
Bitch! Ankles! Hold up. Where'd I go?
Just run.
I can't. How do I run? Shift, right? But
Yeah.
Why was I going sideways?
Because you were strafing, I guess. I don't know.
Strafing.